So in this video we'll add functionality to this website where we'll be adding the products from our admin panel. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so before proceeding, first just log into admin panel and log in with your credentials. Alright, so here is my site. Let's change it to the name of logged in user, okay, or admin. So to change that, just go to views, admin, layout, includes, and header. Alright, so here you'll find my site. Just change it to auth user, name of user. Okay, also we'll just change this link to hash. Okay, because we already have link which will take us to front end. Okay, so no need for that. And if we refresh, okay, we can see the name of logged in user, and if we go to front end it will take us there. Alright, so everything is in place. What we need to create is products table and database and some fields. Okay, so we'll be creating categories as well. So field will be name of the product, size, description, and image, also categories. Okay, so let's go to terminal, and so we'll create model and migration in one command. So PHP artisan, I will type PA, this is shortcut I use. Okay, so PHP artisan make model, and we'll give name of model will be product singular. Okay, so dash m will create the migration as well. Alright, so product table with this migration is created. Let's jump back to PHP Storm and we'll search for product. Okay, so Control P will do that in Sublime and any other editor. Okay, so from now onward I will not go through this route. Okay, switch to app and then product. I'll just search for that. Okay, right now just go to the products, create products table migration, and here we'll create some fields. So we'll create, okay, so first will be the string, and it will be the name of product, and second will also be string. So I think it looks good. ID, name, description, size, image, and category ID. Okay, now let's migrate this. PHP artisan migrate. Alright, so now that if we refresh, yeah, we can see the products table. Yeah, so name, description, size. Alright, so now that table is created, we need to create a categories table. Okay, so where we'll be storing our categories, and for that also we need model, and same thing, model, this time product category. It will create categories table. Okay, plural. Okay, so let's go to categories table, and this will have this string, and this will be the name of the category. Okay, now we need to define the relationship between category and product. So the relationship will be, so one category has many products. Okay, so that will be has many, and product belongs to certain category. Okay, so let's define that in our categories model. Alright, so here create new method called product. Okay, category products, let's make this products. Alright, so we'll return this this model has many app product. Alright, so yeah, that should do fine. And you have another option as well, so I'll just comment this out for now. You can do something like product class. Okay, so product class. So these two things will do same thing, but only difference is if you control click on this, it will take you to product class. Okay, whereas in other case it won't. So both cases are fine, whatever you like. Okay, so now the relationship is defined between category and products. So now let's define the another inverse relationship in products table as well. Okay, let's create a method called category. Okay, singular. So this belongs to category class. Okay, so you can check also whether it is taking you to that category class or not. Alright, so control E will take me back and forth, and in Sublime control P will do same thing. Okay, just hit control P and enter. Alright, so our relationship is defined between them. So one more thing, we need to define a fillable field. Okay, so protected fillable. Okay, so fillable field will be all the fields which we defined in our migration: name, description. Okay, let's do same for category as well. Protected fillable, and only one it got, that is name. So I think it is not required, but we'll do to be on safe side. Alright, so relationships are on place. What we'll do next is we'll create a form where we'll be creating the table. Okay, so since we'll need form a lot, we'll install this package Laravel Collective. Okay, so let's do that. Let's copy this command and paste it into your terminal. Okay, now that the plugin is installed, we'll create a controller, products controller and categories controller. So PHP artisan make controller, and name will be products controller, and test as resource. Alright, so now that is created, we'll create the for categories controller. So now controller are in place. I will just go to products controller, and here first of all we'll create a create form. Okay, so let's do that. So return view, and we'll put that inside admin dot product. Okay, products dot create. Okay, so let's give it singular. Okay, now let's create this folder inside admin. Okay, so resource views, we already got admin, and here we'll create a new folder called product. Okay, just follow convention. Okay, if you want to create other views in plural, just create one. I will just go with singular. So here we'll create a create dot blade. Wait, blade. So create, it will automatically create.blade.php for me. Okay, so it will extend the same layout called admin.layout.admin. Okay, yeah, that's right. So here I will create in section content, I guess. Let's check that out. Yeah, content. So inside here we'll create a form. So first of all we'll give the heading called let's call add product. All right, so here we'll create a form. Okay, first of all let's wrap it inside a row, and here we'll create a form. So form, so open, so actually open with file upload. So I use a snippet, you can just use that. Okay, so form open, so name of route, so name of route will be product dot create. Method will be false, files will be true, so that we can upload file. Okay, so let's clear these out. Okay, so we're here at the create. So for a moment let's go to web.php and just define the routes. Okay, so this is for index page, and here we'll create a resourceful route. Resource, so name will be product, and it will go to products controller. Okay, so you can check what routes are available by running php artisan route list. So we got this product.store, create, and all routes. Okay, so yeah, so now that we got that, we'll create same for category. Okay, so let's go back to create.blade.php inside admin product. Okay, so now let's create form. Okay, so form, and we'll create form text. Okay, so the name of text will be name. So here, okay, so we got one field, and we want to create same for description. So for size we'll just make small and medium, and we'll add another one called large. Okay, and next we'll create a file upload for, so this will be the file field. Okay, so we'll be uploading file, we don't need this. Okay, so let's just check this, and you can see here the create route is admin product / create. So admin product / create. Okay, form not found. Okay, we got this here because we didn't install it correctly. We just downloaded and we didn't add these to providers. So let's do that. So just copy it and go to config app. So down here, providers. So yeah, we'll add here in package provider. Yeah, so that looks good, and we have to add these alias to our this alias this below, just add it here. Okay, so now that should work. All right. Oh, looks like we just messed something in our, okay, we didn't close the section, end section. Okay, yeah, not bad. Rule, you can make another one, call md6, call md offset 3. Yeah, just put everything inside. All right, yeah, it looks okay. Let's change it to 8. Yeah, so this is the add product form. Okay, so here we can select size, and from here we can choose file. Okay, so let's add submit button as well, just here. So we'll add submit button. It's called create. So button will be, yeah, default. Damn. Okay, so that looks good. Okay, now after submitting, we have to handle this request, so we'll do that in, yeah, we need one for category, we are missing that. Okay, we'll add that just below size. Okay, I'll duplicate this. So this will be category, wait, this will be category ID. Okay, so category ID, because we have used that in our here category ID. Okay, so here we'll be, yeah, we'll be using like categories. So this variable, yeah, this variable we should catch here. So in order to do that, we have to pass it from products controller. So let's close all, and let's go to products controller. So here we are not passing any data here, so we have to pass something from our, so categories, so category, and we'll take everything from category. So plug, and we'll construct a list. So key will be name, and value will be ID. All right, so that looks good. So right now we don't have anything in category, so we'll not have anything there. So compact and categories. All right, so let's test this out. I think it will, yeah, base table not found. Okay, because we didn't migrated that, we just created. So PHP artisan migrate. Okay, now categories is migrated. Okay, so now that looks good. So categories, here we should, let's go back to create form. Yeah, let's just change our name to categories. Okay, we can add placeholder, I think. Placeholder, select. So right now we don't have any data in category table, so we'll do that in a moment. So now this product table, product form is in place. We'll just handle this in our products controller. So create form will give us the create form view, and now we'll catch it here, store. Alright, so first of all we'll handle that file upload, so image upload. Okay, so so first of all we'll catch that into some variable image, and that will be inside request image. Okay, so if there is image, we'll save this in our database. So first of all we'll get image name. So image get client original name, so this will get us the original name, and after that we'll call the move method. So we'll move this to images folder. We'll create this in a moment and give it that name, with that name. Okay, image name. And after that we'll just, after that what we'll do is form input will give the image, this image name. So here we'll create that form input will be everything coming from our form. So request all. Okay, so here we'll change that to form input. So what we are doing is we are getting the everything we get from form into form input, and after that we are getting image separately here. And okay, we'll get all except image, because we want to handle the image differently. Okay, yeah, so here we get that image, and we get the original name. We moved it to images folder, and we just stored add one array. Okay, one array item called image with this name, and finally we created that. Okay, so now it should redirect us to the admin. Okay, so redirect us to route. So route name will be admin.index. Okay, so now that should work. First of all we need to create the images folder inside our public. So directly images. All right, let's test this out. Okay, let's go to create form, Okay, what was that route? Product create. So here new one, description, medium, men, and that image will be MC. Let's create that. Yeah, I think it worked. Yeah, so it stored that mc.jpg. Previously it was storing this temp path. Okay, so yeah, so now it's working fine. And let's check to images folder. Yeah, so here is the image which we just uploaded. So now the image product creation part is done. Now we'll show the image here and in front end.